Hey, ladies, welcome to our 25 for 25 walking podcast. I like to call it walk and talk. So get those shoes laced, make sure you've got somewhere safe to walk. I hope you are outside feeling some fresh air and getting into some nature. I am walking on a walking pad because, I am talking into a microphone, but I am walking with you. So if I'm ever breathless or short of words, that is why. It's not about intensity. I'm just trying to get my body moving. So today, let's call this one the first mile mindset. So, again, if you are walking right now, check your breath, take some big, deep breaths, shoulders back, walk tall, walk proud, move that body. And I want you to recognize something. You have already done the hardest part. You're here, you started. I don't think you are listening, from a desk or from your car. I hope not. If you are, press pause and make a decision that you are going to come back and actually walk with me. I'm walking with you, so I want you to walk with me. So that's what we're talking about today, the first mile mindset. Because whether it's going for a walk or starting a workout, eating better, building a habit, the hardest part is, I think, always the same. It is starting. It's not the middle. It's not the end. It's not. It is the beginning. That moment when you're deciding, should I go? Do I have time? Maybe I'll do it later. And, I find that often that later doesn't come. So part of the reason is this. As humans, we have a tendency to do too much, too hard, too fast. We decide we're going to start something and we go all in. We're like, oh, we're going to work out every day. We're going to eat perfectly. We're going to change everything all at once. It's always dramatic. We want change to happen in a quantum leap, so we try to change in a quantum leap. And that feels exciting. You feel hopeful. But you guys, it is not sustainable. And when we can't keep it up, then we just stop altogether and we feel bad. So then the next time we start about starting, it feels overwhelming because we're not just thinking about going for a walk. We're thinking about becoming a completely different person overnight. And I think that's what keeps us stuck. So I challenge you, challenge all of us. What if we change that? What if instead of doing everything, we just focused on starting? Just the first step, just the first mile. Here is the truth. You do not need to do everything today. You just need to not procrastinate the first step. Procrastination, I think, is sneaky. It doesn't sound dramatic. It sounds like, oh, not today. I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it when I have more time. And we don't realize that those small delays add up. But I've got a flip side for you. It is just as easy to say yes. Yes, I will go for a quick walk. Yes, I'll do 10 minutes. Yes, I will start today. Yes, I will start now. That decision takes just as much energy as saying no, but it leads to a completely different outcome. And I want you to think about something else while you're walking right now. Well, first, just be safe. But every big change you have ever made in your life probably started small. Every habit, every routine, every accomplishment, it doesn't start fully formed. It starts with a single baby step. A single step. Baby steps, they don't feel impressive in the moment. They feel small. They feel insignificant. They might feel like they don't really matter. But I promise you, they do. They add up. They add up. Baby steps add up because baby steps become a walk. One walk becomes a habit. Habit becomes consistency. Consistency will change your life. Consistency will literally give you a completely different life. but it all starts the same way, which is that first step. And I think we underestimate how powerful that first step really is. Because the first step isn't just movement, it is identity. That first step you take is a vote for the kind of person you want to be. And every time you start, you're reinforcing something. You're becoming someone who shows up, someone who follows through, someone who takes action. And that matters more than how far you're going to go today. I want to talk about something else that I think sometimes keeps people from starting. It's a handful of words. I don't have time. This is what I hear all the time from moms. I don't have time. We say it all the time. And sometimes it is true. Life is busy. It is so busy. It is so full. You have so many responsibilities and you have so many people depending on you. But most of the time, it's not that we don't have time. It's that we don't have space, or we don't have the energy to do what we need to do. So we do nothing. But what if we stopped thinking in big blocks of time, this big thing you want to do? What if we start thinking smaller? Maybe it's just 10 minutes, quick walk, a few stretches, a short workout. We're talking about going 25 for our 25th anniversary, but it starts with that first mile. Something is always better than nothing. That something is going to create momentum, and momentum is what carries you forward. It's not motivation, it's momentum. So today, your goal is simple. I don't need you going all out. It's never about being perfect. I just want you to start. Let's just start that first mile. And I want to bring this back to what you're doing in this program, those 25 miles. That number might feel really big, but you're not doing 25 miles today. You're just doing this walk right now, this moment, this step. And then tomorrow, I hope you do it again. And the next day. And before you know it, those steps do add up. That is how this works. It's not through big, dramatic effort. It is through small, consistent action. Now, you might still be walking. I am going to wrap up, but before I finish, I just want to give you one more thing to think about. What you celebrate. Many of us only celebrate outcomes, the finished goal, the number, the milestone. I think that is skipping over the most important part. It's about the effort. It's about showing up. It's about starting when you felt like you didn't have the time, starting when you didn't feel like it or you didn't have the energy. So today, I want you to celebrate this right now. You walking. You said yes. You started. You are moving. And that, oh my gosh, that matters so much. So when you finish this walk, do me a favor and hold on to this one simple idea. You don't need to do everything. You don't need to do it perfectly. I just want you to start. And then tomorrow you're going to start again. Because baby steps, ladies, they add up to something so much bigger than you think. One step at a time. We're going to go 1 mile at a time, all the way to 25. Ladies, keep on walking.